Hi everyone, Jason from Makera here with another Carvera Air tutorial, and in this one we're looking at how to connect to our Carvera Air Desktop CNC. For all of these methods, you will need the Carvera Controller App installed on your device. This app is a free download from Makera.com and is crucial for controlling your Carvera Air. We don't use the Carvera Controller App to design our projects, but we do use this app to select our files and adjust our machine settings, as well as perform other control functions for our Carvera Air Desktop CNCs. Now, once you've installed the Carvera Controller App on your device, whether it be a tablet or Mac or Windows computer, whatever is compatible with our app, you're ready to get started and connect to your machine, which you can do in one of three ways. These options are connecting directly to the Carvera Air via USB, connecting directly to the Carvera Air using its own internal Wi-Fi network, or connecting to the Carvera Air by placing it on your own Wi-Fi network. First, let's look at how to connect to the Carvera Air via a USB cable. You will need to use a high-speed USB-C data cable to connect to your Carvera Air using the USB-C port on the back of the machine. Ensure it's a data cable like the one provided with the Carvera Air and not just a charging cable, as this will not work. Also ensure that you're using the USB-C port on the back of the machine and not the standard USB port on the back, because that's used for charging your tablet devices or connecting the UV curing lamp that's included with the PCB fabrication pack. Once you've connected the USB cable from your Carvera Air to your device, you can open the connection menu in the top left corner of the Carvera Controller App, then select USB. On a Windows device, the Carvera Air will be listed as a COM connection port, and on a Mac or tablet device, the Carvera Air will be listed as a USB serial connection. After selecting your device, the app should synchronize and connect with your CNC automatically. Next, let's look at how to connect to our Carvera Air using its own internal Wi-Fi network. The Carvera Air will broadcast its own Wi-Fi network, allowing you to connect directly to this device, which is really easy to do and helpful when you're connecting via a tablet, or if you want to connect to your machine wirelessly, but don't have access to placing it on your own Wi-Fi network. On your device, look for and connect to the Carvera Air's Wi-Fi network. This should be called Carvera Air with a series of numbers to represent your own unique machine ID. Once connected, launch the Carvera Controller App and open the connection menu, then select Wi-Fi. In this list, you should see your Carvera Air to select and connect to it wirelessly. We'll look at how to rename your machine in that drop-down menu later, but for now, let's look at the third option, which is placing the Carvera Air on your own Wi-Fi network. This is the best option if your device isn't right next to the Carvera Air, or if you have multiple Carveras or Carvera Air CNCs that you'd like to connect to and easily flip between in the Carvera Controller App on a single device. First, connect to your Carvera Air via USB as discussed earlier. Next, open the Settings menu and select the Wi-Fi icon. Here you can select the Wi-Fi network you want to add the Carvera Air to, then enter the password for this network. Once the Carvera Air has connected, you will be shown a confirmation message with the Carvera Air's IP address. After this, you can disconnect from the Carvera Air via USB and reconnect via Wi-Fi as we did earlier, but this time you don't need to join the Carvera Air's Wi-Fi. Instead, the Carvera Air will pop up in the Wi-Fi menu as long as your device and the Carvera Air are on the same network. And if you have multiple Carveras or Carvera Air CNCs, you'll see them all listed in this Wi-Fi dropdown for easy changing. But to make this even easier, we recommend that you rename your machines so that it's easy to distinguish between them if you do have multiples. To do this, you can open the Settings window in the Carvera Controller App after connecting to your machine, then select Advanced. Under Wi-Fi, you can change the machine Wi-Fi name to whatever you would like it to be. After applying these settings, you will need to disconnect and reset your machine for the changes to take place. And that's all there is to it. Once you've connected to your CNC, you can upload your design files and start manufacturing, which we look at in our other tutorials and guides. Stay tuned for more, and of course, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.